Well, we're just going to jump right into this. If anybody is joining for the first time on a replay, welcome to my morning meditation practice. This will be 53 days in a row consecutively, and in a row consecutively. That's not redundant, but so I practice right now. I'm practicing what might be called a Vipassana style meditation, or just a silent seated meditation. I try to keep my legs crossed. We're kind of closing things down, my hands crossed, my mouth closed, my eyes closed. And very basic, just paying attention to the breath as it caresses your upper lip. And that's pretty much it. But if you do body scans, or if you have some sort of a mantra, or some focal point, or if it's a walking meditation, or you just want to lay down and be in the presence of people doing meditation, whatever your flavor is, it's all good. My philosophy is that we bring presence constantly and are present constantly, and then every step is a meditation, and then we kind of don't have to worry about it. I'm doing this for my own personal benefit, as far as like creating more discipline, getting up at a particular time, and this consistency, right? And then also to continue to train my brain. Basically, when I differentiate between mind and brain, but to train my brain to focus in one thing at a time, even when the thoughts are going on and there's outside distractions or inside distractions, however you look at it. So that's me. Um, this is a 30-minute meditation. Tomorrow we're going to go up to 35 minutes. There's 3 bells. There's one at, well, 4 bells, I should say. There's an opening bell. There's one at 15 minutes, just marking 15 minutes. There's one at 10, I'm sorry, at 25 minutes, which is marking 5 minutes until the end. You'll hear the difference. And in that moment, I do what I call metta, or loving kindness, taking all the benefits that I've gotten from the last 25 minutes of meditation and moving it out into the world and to other people. So, and then the ending bell, which is 3 strikes of a bell. So we're gonna get going. Perfect.